So we said that this we were talking about the holiness, right? And the Torah identifies those species that one may eat as a tahor, so meaning pure. That's very important. And it has been noted that the word tahor, they say clean, and tzohar, light, are related. So pure and light are related. In most basic level, the act of eating facilitates the remarkable fusion of body and soul. Right? Man is defined as an earthbound creature who has potential to reach heaven. That's very interesting line. So let's read it again and explain. Very interesting line, right? The most basic level of act of eating. So basic, like basic meaning like animal. So animal has to eat and we have to eat, right? Of eating facilitates the remarkable fusion of body and soul. Man is defined as an earthbound creature, right, who is potential to reach heaven. So how? Even through elevation of this food, right? So through eating the proper food in a proper time with the proper intent, right? So you can elevate yourself and become holy, right? So that's our goal in this life, to become holy and be attached to HaShem. And if you learn Mishlat Hashem, that's what we do. It's step by step. You starting from, as Ramchal explained, from Zihirus. So you start from not doing sins, then with Zirizus, with alacrity, you have motivation to do mitzvahs, but the end goal is to be holy. So it's not for only some people to be holy. It's for everybody to be holy, and we have to aspire to reach whatever level we can. It is through the life of sustaining process of eating the dust of earth that is transformed into living soul. Okay, as Mishlet 13:25, the tzaddik eats for the purpose of sustaining soul. Right, so the tzaddik is, but even it is only for tzaddik. But as we explained, that's what Kitzur Shulchan Aruch says. That's a basic expectation of everybody. So it's not only of tzaddik. So it's an expectation of you and I, right, to be holy and elevate this food. Man is unique in his statue, as a creation combined of lowest, simplest in nature, earth, and the most sacred and spiritual, divine itself, right? As we know, man is created from earth on one hand, and infused with his soul that comes from the throne of HaShem, from under the throne of HaShem. Man is a physical body, shares the nature of the animal kingdom, but his soul reflects in the heavenly angels. It's very interesting, right? So a dog eats and we eat. So what is the difference here? If you give your dog or somebody, a stray dog, the food that the dog is going to enjoy, maybe even more than you, right? So what is the difference? There is no difference, but right, we have the soul that even higher than the angels. The goal of the human experience is to subdue the beast in man and to live one's life in accordance with the standard unique human alone. The goal of a Jew goes beyond that, to bring holiness from the soul to the body, to raise the mundane to the level of spirituality, and to sublimate and transform the temporal into sublime. Okay, so let's read these two lines and we're going to explain them. So one more time, the goal of the human, so it's Jews and non-Jews, human experience is to subdue the beast in man and to live one's life according with the standards unique human alone, right? So all of the people have exactly the same physical desire as animals. Some animals also they like to swim, they like to lay in the sun and sleep many hours, right? So same as humans, right? But we have to subdue this nature, our animalistic nature, right? But the goal of the Jew even higher. Goal of the Jew goes beyond that, to bring holiness from the soul into the body. So the holiness, the body is exactly as an animal, but but our goal to make this body, well, I would say, I mean, he said the body, but I was a combination, body of soul as one, and be holy, and raise to the mundane to the level of spirituality, and to sublimate and transform the temporal into sublime. That's as we said, it's like a basic requirements of a Jew. Okay, any questions, somebody? Okay, no problem. Okay, I thought somebody wants to speak. Continue. The heavens belongs to HaShem, and the earth is given to man. Right? That's what we say what is it in Halachos, right? So the earth, the heavens belongs to HaShem, and the earth is given to man. It's from Tehillim 1:15-16. Said Hidushi Harim, and the earth was given to man to turn it into heaven. Wow, that's amazing. At the same time, however, the animal is in man wishes to overpower the rule over the spirit and to take heavens into earth and to make heaven into earth. Very interesting. Thus, life is a struggle between animalistic and the spiritual aspect of man. So let's read it again and we're going to explain. Said Hidushi Harim, right? And the earth was given to man to turn it into heaven. So people came to, especially Jews, came to here to improve the earth, right? So HaShem gave us like a raw material, and we have to improve it. One of the explanations why we do circumcision, right? So as Greek say. Turnus Rufus, I think it was. He was arguing with Rabbi Akiva. He said, "If your God is so perfect, and we think that Creator of the world is perfect, so whatever He creates is perfect. Why do you need to do circumcision? It's like you ruin the perfection, right?" It's very interesting. But the Rabbi Akiva answered that Hashem wants us to improve, like to be a partner in His creation, right? That's what we need to do in this world. Right, and Hidushi Harim said, meaning what? To turn earth into heaven, meaning into spirituality. At the same time, so one more time, as we said, all of the physical activities we can turn into holy actions. Even go to the bathroom. So I want to get rid, to cleanse myself from the waste. So now I can stand before my Creator and talk to Him. So in this sense, in this going to the bathroom is actually serving Hashem. It's a preparation for the prayer, holy act, right? Or take a shower, for the same reason, right? Or like on Friday, right? To tomorrow, people, as we learned in our Shabbos class, so preparation for Shabbos class. So we take shower in honor of the king. Right? So if you're about to meet some dignitary or somebody like a president, so you would take a shower, of course. You change your clothing, get a haircut, stuff like that. At the same time, however, the animal in man wishes to overpower the rule and rule over the spirit, right? That's what Yetzer Hara wants, right? Take over, go to sleep. You can pray later, or maybe do not pray and stuff like that, right? To make heaven into earth, to make the most holy into mundane. Thus, the life is struggle between the animalistic and spiritual aspect of man. 1 second, let's see what time is. Okay, so we can stop here.